Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. Welcome back to yet again another Sunday dinner. Yes, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I have my ingredients in my pot right here. I'm going to not fill it up, but bring the water just above the smoked turkey and allow it to cook. You could probably do this a day before in your slow cooker, or you could use it in a pressure cooker, but I'm not doing all that today. Alright you guys, so I'm going to work on a quick little spice mix for my kielbasa squash. I'm making chicken wings to go with this dinner, by the way. Yes, another chicken dish. But anyway, in here I have brown sugar, black pepper. Of course you could just make your squash and do it with salt and pepper, no problem, but I don't feel like doing that today. I'm also going to add some goujujan powder. I found this in the Kroger supermarket. You're also going to add some ginger, ground ginger. The squash I'm using is called kielbasa squash. Oh, I forgot my salt. You need some salt to balance this out. It's called kielbasa squash, and that's what I'll be using. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I already started putting the spice. I forgot to show it to you guys. This is what the squash looks like. I found it in the international supermarket. Some people call it pumpkin, whatever you want to call it. But the correct name is kielbasa squash. Put a good amount on there, mix it up, and we're going to bake these off in the oven. Alright you guys, so in this bowl right here I have some washed rice. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. On this plate right here is the smoked turkey meat that I took it all off the bone. And in this plate right here I have some chopped poblano peppers, scallions, and butter. All of this is going down into the rice, as well as the black beans. Over here is the liquid that's left over from cooking the meat, and that's the liquid I'll be using. Mine wasn't too salty, so I'm able to use it. If yours is too salty, then swap it out for some broth. However, I prefer for y'all to use at least half of this for the full flavor. Alright guys, these are my wings that's been marinating overnight. All that's on here is salt, pepper, and this Cajun seasoning right here that I got from Kroger by McCormick. As you can see, it's almost gone. But that's all that's on here. Alright, so in no particular order, you're going to start putting everything down in here. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to use all that pepper. This is not a hot pepper, it's just like a lot of flavor. It's like more flavor than heat. You could use jalapenos too. That's fine. Now I'm going to start adding my washed rice. Then I'm going to add my smoked turkey. Then I'm going to add my black beans. Oh my goodness, this rice is going to be so delicious. Then you're going to stir. Get everything nice and incorporated. And you make sure you taste for salt and pepper. You don't need pepper, but you can check for salt. And that's it for the rice. Cover it and allow it to simmer to the directions on the back of your package. Alright, I'm going to pop my squash in the oven 375 for about 30-40 minutes, or until they're nice and tender. Alright, and now my wings are going in the oven. Only these are going in there for 425. It's probably going to take an hour until they're nice and golden. Alright guys, you see how nice and golden and pretty these are? Now you're going to take that barbecue sauce, the one I showed you guys earlier. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. All I did to the sauce was put it in this pot with some of that turkey broth that we cooked the rice in, and a couple tablespoons of butter, and that's it. You could use it straight out the bottle if you prefer, but y'all know I don't use nothing straight out the bottle. So you want to get these all over your wings. I'm going to do this twice. So I'm going to pop this back into the oven about 7 minutes. Once it tightens up, I'm going to pull it out and baste them again. Alright, you guys, first of all, I wanted to apologize for the up close and bad angles in my last video. I'll make sure I pay attention to that next time. Well, hopefully I did today. This is what the plate looks like right here. This is the roasted squash. Over here is the chicken, nice and silky and shiny and glossy with the sauce. And my spinach right here. So I hope you guys, oh, and my rice. Oh my god, guys, this rice, I challenge my subscribers to make this rice. Comment below and I'm gonna post you, especially if you're a YouTuber that cooks. Can you make my rice? And I'm going to repost you. Yeah, this rice is amazing and I need to put that in a book, but you guys get to see it here first. But this rice is amazing. And I'll catch you guys next time on my next video. Hopefully in a week or two. Not sure. And yeah, happy holiday, I think. Okay, bye guys.